Working on construction projects becomes easier when you have the right tools. I have listed the best 20 Amazon construction gadgets that can help you work more efficiently. From measuring tools to safety gear, these gadgets are designed to make your job simpler and more convenient. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. AIUITIO Rivet Nut Tool. Featuring an innovative, toolless quick change head design, this rivet nut tool allows seamless changing of mandrels and nose pieces by hand, making it easy to use. Constructed from thick carbon steel with heat-treated and black phosphating finishing, it offers exceptional durability and corrosion resistance. The U cross-section arm ensures high reliability to prevent bending. A comprehensive set of mandrels, rivet nuts, and accessories is neatly packed in a sturdy carrying case for convenience in various applications, including metalwork and home improvement. Freeman Pneumatic Gauge. Ideal for installing solid tongue and groove hardwood flooring, this pneumatic gauge is compatible with multiple fasteners, including 15.5 gauge half-inch crown staples and 16 gauge T and L cleats. Made from high-strength aluminum, it is lightweight yet durable, featuring an anodized aluminum magazine for extended tool life. A hardened steel drive blade ensures longevity, while Nomar base plates protect flooring surfaces. The updated foot shape and semi-quick release provide easier access to the drive blade in case of jams. Bosch Professional Knife Set. Designed for precision cutting, this professional knife set includes two versatile knives for a range of tasks. A secure button release mechanism and rubber handle ensure safe and comfortable use. Blades can be replaced effortlessly, with spare blades conveniently stored in the housing. The robust die-cast aluminum construction enhances longevity, making it a reliable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The set includes a folding knife, 3 replacement blades, a cutter, and an additional blade, all packaged for easy access. Irwin Marples Chisel Set. Built for high-impact construction tasks, this chisel set features large strike caps that endure repetitive hammering. Ergonomic Pro-Touch grips provide durability and comfort, making them resistant to job site wear and tear. The high-quality hardened steel blades offer superior edge retention and performance. This set includes 3 chisels, half an inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, ensuring versatility for various woodworking applications. A folding carrying wallet is included, offering convenient storage and portability for professionals and hobbyists alike. DeWalt Reciprocating Saw. Compact at just 317 mm front to back, this reciprocating saw is perfect for working in tight spaces. Its tool-free blade release allows for quick and effortless blade changes, improving efficiency on the job. A swivel shoe design provides enhanced contact points, allowing for better control and stability when cutting through various materials. Whether for demolition, remodeling, or general cutting tasks, this powerful and convenient tool is built for professionals and DIY users alike. Estwing Framing Hammer. Forged from lightweight aircraft aluminum, this framing hammer delivers faster swing speeds while reducing user fatigue. The integrated magnetic nail starter allows for effortless one-handed operation, improving precision and efficiency. Designed with dead blow technology, it minimizes vibration transfer, ensuring maximum force with every strike. The patented shock reduction grip reduces impact vibration by 70%, providing exceptional comfort and a secure hold in all job site conditions, making it a must-have for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Seika Cordless Tile Vibration Tool. With an impressive suction capacity exceeding 130 pounds, this cordless tile vibration tool ensures a firm grip on tiles as large as 59 by 59 inches, enhancing work efficiency. 2 powerful 22-volt batteries provide 4 to 6 hours of continuous use, with fast charging completing in just 2 hours. Featuring 5-speed vibration adjustment up to 18,000 revolutions a minute and a smart display for real-time monitoring, this tool streamlines tile installation. Its one-handed operation saves time and effort, making it perfect for professionals and DIYers. Sigman Laser Level. Equipped with 12 ultra-bright green laser lines, this self-leveling laser level provides 360-degree precision for tiling, framing, and other construction tasks. The remote control enables easy adjustment of brightness and visibility. Its compact and IP54 rated durable design ensures dust and water resistance for job site reliability. Offering auto leveling, manual, and pulse modes, it extends range up to 50 m with a receiver. A built-in 4000 mAh battery with fast Type-C charging supports long-term, uninterrupted use. Capro I-Beam Level. Engineered for professional use, this I-beam level offers high-precision vials for effortless leveling and measuring. Its magnified cylindrical vials include a plumb-sight dual-view feature, providing both side and front views for better accuracy. The sturdy aluminum frame, combined with shock-absorbing rubber end caps, ensures durability against job site conditions. Ideal for masonry, carpentry, and construction, this heavy-duty level delivers reliability and precision, making it a top choice for serious contractors. Saker Contour Gauge. Designed for precise shape duplication, this contour gauge is ideal for measuring irregular objects such as pipes, moldings, and carpets. The adjustable tightness feature allows customization, ensuring accuracy over time. Once contoured, the locking mechanism secures the shape for precise tracing and cutting. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, it is both lightweight and durable. With 5-inch and 10-inch measurement options, it simplifies woodworking, tile fitting, and various DIY projects for professionals and hobbyists alike. Fast Cap Spade Flush Mount Drill. Professional-grade performance ensures this drill bit system delivers exceptional results, making it a must-have for woodworking, cabinetry, and DIY enthusiasts. Precision drilling eliminates unsightly screw heads and uneven surfaces, providing a flawless finish. Effortless installation allows easy setup with set screws and micro-adjustment for fine-tuned cutting depth. A wide collar and smooth bearings guarantee perfect results on every cut. Enhanced efficiency minimizes touch-ups, optimizing workflow for a seamless drilling experience. Tough-built framer suspension rig. Innovative design with ergonomic suspenders and a moisture-wicking mesh belt liner evenly distributes weight throughout demanding workdays. Heavy-duty construction features 6-layer reinforcement, clip-tech pouch compatibility, and reinforced stress points for durability. Superior comfort conforms to the natural back shape, maximizing pressure distribution for all-day wear. Ideal for framers, carpenters, and handymen. USA quality control ensures rigorous testing and inspection for superior craftsmanship, making this the toughest work belt on the market. Craftsman tape measure. 14 feet. Of reach enables solo measurements with ease, improving efficiency on job sites. Made in the USA with globally sourced materials, ensuring reliable craftsmanship. Magnetic hook securely attaches to metal surfaces like studs, I-beams, and ductwork for enhanced stability. Durability is reinforced with improved blade longevity and hook protection, extending the tool's lifespan. Built for professionals and DIYers, this tape measure offers precision, strength, and convenience in one compact tool. Tajima Chalk Snap Line. Contractor-grade performance is achieved with a 100 feet. Premium braided snap line for crisp, accurate markings. Compact and ergonomic, it fits comfortably in hand while holding up to 1.6 ounce. Of chalk. Smooth 5-gear drive winding operates up to 3 times faster than standard snap lines, ensuring efficiency. Durable construction features a heavy-gauge die-cast aluminum case with a folding crank. Positive gear lock line hold automatically releases during rewind for effortless usability. Swanson tool. Multiple gradations allow precise marking for common, hip, valley, and jack rafters, ensuring accurate angle measurements and square cuts. Enhanced value with a set of 2 best-selling speed squares, 7-inch and 12-inch, plus a handy reference blue book for added guidance. Durable material crafted from heavy-gauge billet aluminum alloy ensures longevity and reliability. Easy to use as a saw guide for quick board alignment. Proudly made in the USA, trusted by professionals since 1925. Fast Cap Pro Hold. Convenient magnetic attachment effortlessly secures onto wrists, drills, drivers, tool bags, and boxes, keeping small metal items within easy reach. Powerful 9-neodymium magnets provide a strong grip for screws, nails, and bits, minimizing work interruptions. Adjustable hook and loop strap ensures a comfortable and secure fit for hands-free operation. Ideal for carpenters, electricians, and DIYers, this tool enhances efficiency and convenience on any job site. Wearer Rapidaptor. Rapidaptor quick-release chuck ensures seamless, one-handed bit changes for maximum efficiency. Universal compatibility supports both a 1/4-inch hex insert and power bits, making it versatile for various applications. Self-locking mechanism provides a secure grip on bits, preventing accidental slips. Free spinning outer sleeve stabilizes power tools during screwdriving, improving precision and control. Designed for professionals, this bit holder enhances productivity and ease of use in any workshop or job site. Key-type multi-angle measuring ruler. Premium aluminum alloy construction offers high hardness, corrosion resistance, and rust prevention while remaining lightweight. Versatile multipurpose design integrates two rulers with scales and graphics for precise measurements. Wide range of uses include scribing, 45-degree and 90-degree angle measurements, and marking. Durable anodized surface enhances hardness and wear resistance for long-term accuracy. Ideal for DIYers and professionals, this measuring tool is perfect for woodworkers, engineers, and construction experts. Rex Betty knee pads. Maximum comfort is achieved with extra-thick gel and high-density foam cushioning, reducing knee strain during demanding tasks. Secure fit with a strong hook and loop strap and thigh support design keeps knee pads in place. Heavy-duty construction features a PVC shell, reinforced stitching, and durable fabric for long-lasting protection. Versatile use makes these knee pads ideal for roofing, flooring, gardening, and construction work. Professional-grade support ensures all-day stability and comfort. Rockler Corner Key Dowel Jig. Innovative joinery lets you create mitered corners reinforced with decorative dowels, adding strength and style to woodworking projects. Versatile dowel options allow the use of solid wood dowels, non-ferrous metal tubes, or a combination for unique finishes. Mold reference lines and a clear alignment window ensure precise, repeatable setups. Easy repositioning enables quick adjustments and reclamping for consistent drilling. Perfect for enhancing box joints, drawers, and other fine woodworking applications. Whether you're a pro on the job site or a DIY enthusiast tackling your next big project, these 20 Amazon construction gadgets are built to make your work easier, faster, and more efficient. From high-tech tools to game-changing gear, these innovations are designed to take your construction game to the next level. Want to grab these gadgets at the best prices? Check out the links in the description for the latest deals. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow builders, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss our latest content, tips, and reviews.